How to create a faceless YouTube automation channel, $500 per day. So, creating a faceless YouTube automation channel with the goal of earning $500 per day is a complex and potentially risky endeavor. Keep in mind that my knowledge is up to September 2021, and YouTube's policies might have changed since then. It's important to act ethically and follow YouTube's guidelines to avoid potential issues. That said, here are some general steps to consider. Choose a niche. Decide on a specific niche that interests you and has an audience. Research popular topics and trends to identify a potentially profitable niche. Content creation. Create high-quality videos related to your chosen niche. You can use automation tools to speed up certain tasks, but ensure the content is original, valuable, and engaging to viewers. Automation tools. Use tools to automate tasks like video editing, scheduling, and posting. Be cautious not to violate YouTube's policies, as excessive automation might lead to account suspension. SEO optimization. Research and implement search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to improve your video's discoverability and ranking on YouTube. Monetization. Once your channel gains traction and meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your videos through ads. Affiliate marketing. Consider incorporating affiliate marketing in your content, promoting products or services related to your niche and earning a commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. Promotion and marketing. Share your videos on social media, forums, and relevant websites to attract more viewers and subscribers. Consistency and analyzing data. Upload videos consistently and analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. This will help you identify trends and make data-driven decisions to improve your content and strategy. Remember, earning a substantial income on YouTube requires dedication, hard work, and building an engaged audience over time. Avoid any unethical practices, such as clickbait, misleading content, or spammy tactics, as these can harm your channel's reputation and standing with YouTube. Always prioritize creating valuable content for your viewers.